Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share today's find. It's a product that's stylish, practical, and easy on the wallet. First off, the design is top-notch. It's sleek, modern, and perfect for any space. Now let's talk price. I couldn't believe how affordable it is for something that looks and feels this premium. It's also incredibly versatile, great for your workspace, home, or as a special gift for someone. Want to know more? Check out the description below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a great deal.